Warning. The following content features airsoft replicas. These are not real firearms. All gear is used safely in a controlled environment. Do not try this at home.
Hello, welcome back guys. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS by VFC Umarex. Alright, let's do it!
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, we got the unboxing right here. I already opened the bag, but I just wanted to make sure we had the right product, because if you saw the last video I did, they sent us the wrong item for second time. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little upset about it, but we got it situated and here's the unboxing. Alright, I'm gonna get the unboxing out and do this. Alright, so far, because of the inconvenience, they send us extra magazine correctly, and I don't know why, but it didn't come in the typical Umarex VFC box, but we're gonna test it out. Hopefully it's the right one. And oh my gosh, I always love these boxes. I swear, they get me excited every time. We got the Glock 17 Umarex VFC MOS Gen 5, and here's the box. Here you go. You can read that. Can you? Let me close it up. There you go, MOS, and here's the thing from VFC. Alright, yes sir, if you want to see the back of the box, there you go. And let's see this beauty. I do have my other Glock. It's clear. It doesn't have a magazine or any bullets. This is my other Glock. It's a Glock 17 from VFC Gen 2. No, I'm sorry, Gen 5 V2, right? And we're gonna have this for comparison to see how it looks. Let's see the difference. Alright guys, I did not open the box, I only saw the box from outside. So let's see what we got. Alright. Ooh, I love this beauty. It's kinda more heavy than the other one. I don't know if it's because it had the magazine or what, but this is more heavy. Holy cow. Yeah, this more heavy. Let's make sure this is clear. No bullets. Nothing on the chamber. And here's the beauty. Glock 17 MOS. Here's the plate. And the sticker. Let's take the sticker off. Let's take this sticker off. There you go. Alright, and holy cow. Oof. Getting sticky. There you go. Sorry about that. Hold on. Just getting sticky. Holy shit. Oh, now we got on the mouth. Holy shit. Hold on. We got this. There you go. Alright. Back to the video. So, let's do a quick comparison. It looks the same. I mean, this one looks more different color. Let me see this. It looks the same. I mean, oh man, this is weird though. It's weird. Holy shit. I think they sent us the wrong pistol again. They just fucking cheat us. Because this brings a regular sight like the GSK, and hold on, let me see something. Let's see. Okay, my apology guys for that. I wanted to make sure we got the right replica. So we do have the right replica right here. The difference between them are sights for some reason. I don't know why they changed the different sights. And it's just different, I guess. It's just the sight. They have better painting. I don't know if it's just because I've been playing more with the other one and this one is not. It's just brand new. Well, it's just good. We have the instructions here, typical VFC instructions, and the manual, VFC, right? And we got the plates. All right, that should be all in the box. Yeah. All right. And it's the beauty. Let's just open this to make sure we got the right magazine too before we start upgrading. Yeah, seems like the right magazine. VFC. It's the other magazine. Yeah, same thing. Alright, so put everything organized. Alright, put it here. And the special part, we got the replica right here, guys. And I bought some custom thing. We got a grip, rubber grip, a flashlight, and a red dot. It's all from Airsoft. It's not real red dot. It's not like a special flashlight. Mostly came from Amazon. But I hope we can make it look good. So to start, we're gonna start with the rubber grip. If I'm right, it's like this. I'm gonna put this before. Alright, there you go. Alright, all the way in. So the beauty of this replica, like all VFC, is I think it's aluminum or metal. So it's good quality. It's not like, I'm not saying Tokyo Marui is bad quality. I like my Tokyo Marui. I never had owned one, but I used them before. It's just I don't like the FPS. It's too low for my taste, and I don't like the plastic. I like to be all metal. I know some Tokyo Marui rifles that are aluminum and stuff. They have their reasons for. Okay, my glove broke. At this point, gloves off. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let me clean my sweat. Alright. 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 Alright, it looks good. We put it in. Put the first thing. Alright. Second thing, we're gonna put the flashlight. This I already tested out. It had the battery inside. Here you go. It's just a flashlight from Amazon, like I said before. Everything came from Amazon except the red dot. And if I'm not wrong, we put this down. Put it against the table. We don't want to run for a beautiful box. Alright. coming good. It looks good. Let's put the flashlight on. Alright. And it has a second mode. That's things like this. Hold on. There you go. Party. Alright. And the most complicated part, I guess, I never done this before, but it's to put the plates. So we got 4 different plates for different kind of red dots, and this is the Allen key with one single screw. I don't know where that's supposed to be, but let's see which one it will be. Let's pull out the red dot first. So the red dot is right here. I kind of like just check it out, put a battery on. You already have the Glock plate, but this is for no MOS version, so you put it on the side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our Allen keys. I think it's this one if I'm sure. And here's the beautiful red dot. As you guys can see, it's really nice. It's good quality. I think it's good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it took me a while. I even had to take the helmet off. I do not want to put it on. Sorry, it's not gonna be a first view of this, but we got it under control. Look at that. We're gonna buy higher end sights for the red dot. And let's see. Look at that. Let me see. Can you see it? Oh. I don't want to aim myself at that with that. There you go. There you go, red dot. I just need to put it in the middle. But this is pretty much secure, right? And oh, this is a beauty, guys. This is beautiful. Just need to. I figured out what happened was that I wasn't putting enough pressure with the longer ones, and I had to really put force on it, like force, right? But after I put force on it, it did work. And let me put my good eye. Okay, this is more to the left, to the right. I got. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Just a little bit more. Couple clicks. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright guys, this is already 0, I believe. And well, this is how the beauty looks like. Oh my gosh, look at that beauty, guys. Look at that beauty. It's beautiful. And I mean, hold on, let's put, like, we put everything extra. Let's put like an extra magazine too. Oh my gosh, look at that, beautiful. We got the sights, we got the red dot, we got the flashlight, we got the plastic grips. I mean, I guess plastic grips, yeah, sure. This half gas, so let's see if it shoots. Okay. Oh yeah. Just need to go a little bit more to the right. Hold on, guys. I see you in the shooting range. Hello guys, welcome back. We're doing the shooting test, and today we're gonna be shooting test the Glock 17 MOS by VFC. We got the Glock 17 Gen 5 V2 for comparison. Alright, let's do it. Okay, Aiden, rack the pistol. Shoot all the time. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, Adrian, take the magazine off. Don't let it drop. Don't let it drop. Here you go. Put the other one. Give me the empty one. Alright, press this button right here. Watch out, it's gonna bite you. Right here. Press it down. Oh, press it down. Alright. Guys, we're gonna do it with the MOS. Let me turn off the red light. Alright. One in the chamber. Alright. Now, second magazine. This one we're gonna do it really fast. Oh, yeah, it's the call, guys. I really apologize for that. But let's check the results real quick. Alright, for the MOS, we got a smaller circle, as you guys can see. And for the Gen 5, we got a bigger circle. It's all depending about the shooter too, but so far we did good. And I hope you guys like this comparison. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.
Yes, sir.